Right now at 5, Governor Brad Little signed a restrictive abortion bill on Tuesday, banning nearly all procedures once a fetal heartbeat can be detected.
The legislature voted overwhelmingly to approve the measure that makes providing an abortion after a heartbeat can be found punishable up to 5 years in prison. It would also allow the woman who received the abortion to sue the provider. Now, the bill has exceptions for rape, incest, or medical emergency.
Yeah, the governor issued a statement saying Idaho is a state that values the most innocent of all lives, the lives of babies. We should never relent in our efforts to protect the lives of the preborn.
Planned Parenthood says Republican state lawmakers across the country have been attacking Roe v. Wade increasingly restrictive rules. Now, the 1973 Supreme Court case Roe v. Wade was a landmark decision in which the court rules the U.S. Constitution protects a pregnant woman's liberty to choose whether to have an abortion or not.
Legislation like this is extremely cruel when thinking of the past and the lives that have been lost because of lack of access. And by not remembering what has happened, gives us a chance to repeat that bad history.
Well, Planned Parenthood has been a vocal advocate against restricting access to abortions. They say this is a trigger law that would only begin if a similar ban is upheld in a separate court. It is not effective immediately. The advocacy group says they plan to sue to stop the bill if it's upheld.